Wednesday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then a chance of showers after midnight. Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Champaign County, southwestern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Pickaway County, eastern Clark County, Madison County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Choctaw Lake, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Hilliard, London, Jefferson, West Jefferson, Mount Sterling, South Charleston, Choctaw Lake, Lake Darby, Lisbon, Brighton, Lafayette, South Vienna, Midway, Harrisburg, Newport, Chenoweth, Georgesville, Madison Lake, and Darby Dale. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile marker 66 and 91. I-71 in Ohio between mile marker 78 and 92.